Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an electrical and electronics engineering third semester subject details. So here the first subject it is having 25 subject code is 25 EE 31 high. The subject name is generation, transmission and distribution. The subject name. So it is having a maximum marks. This is a theory subject. You have to write a exam. So maximum max CIE. It is an internal marks 50 marks. So you have to get a minimum 20 marks in the CIE. So internal test. So in the theory exam, they are going to conduct for 50 marks. So you should get minimum 20 marks. There is no practical exam. You have only theory exam, written exam you have to do it. Okay, total will be 100. So next subject is, subject code is 25 EE 32I. It is a switchgear and protection subject name. So it is also having a theory subject. So internal 50 marks they are going to conduct. So you have to get minimum 20 marks in the internals, and theory exam in the external exam 50 marks they are going to conduct. You have to get a 20 marks. So adding both internal and external, you should get total marks should be an 100. Next will be an subject code is 25 EE 33I. It is a generators and transformers. Subject name is generators and transformers. It is a practical subject. For that also you have to write a CIE CIE test. 50 marks they are going to conduct, maximum marks, and 20 marks will be the minimum marks. And in the practical also they are going to have to do only practicals, 50 marks and 20 marks minimum. Total will be on both 100 marks. And next subject is subject code is 25 EE 34I. Subject name is analog and digital electronics. It is also practical. So CIE for 50 marks, minimum 20, and practical for 50 marks, minimum 20. So total will be 100, but both CIE and external. So the last one is a subject code is 25 KA 31T. It is an Kannada one, that is Sahitya Sinchana or Balike Kannada. Sahitya Sinchana or Balike Kannada. It is having a CI internal 50 and 20 marks minimum. There is no external exam for this. So total for the third semester total marks will be 450. Total marks 450. So internally, so you will get a 250 marks. Okay, external remaining external you have to score 200 marks. External exam you are going to write. Next you are going to upload fourth semester subject. So in the fourth semester, the first subject is subject code is 25 EE 41I. Subject name is electrical motors and drives. It is an CIE 50 marks. Minimum is 20. It is an internal marks. It is having a theory exam, 50 marks for theory exam, minimum 20. So total will be 100 marks. It is a theory. There is no practical exam here. Next, coming to a next subject, 25 EE 42I. Subject name is power electronics. It is also CIE 50, 20 minimum marks, and theory exam 50 marks, 20 minimum. Total will be 100. 2 theory subjects and 2 practical subjects they given each semester. Next will be 25 EE 43I. It is a subject code. Subject name is fundamentals of automation technology. It is also CIE 50 and minimum 20 you have to score, and it is not having a theory exam. It is having a practical for 50 marks. 20 will be the minimum. Total will be 100. Next subject code is 25 EE 44I. Subject name is computer based electrical drafting. So it is CIE will be there 50 marks and 20 marks will be the minimum, and it is having a practical exam 50, 20 will be the minimum marks, and total will be 100. And also you have Kannada subject 25 KA 41T. It is Kannada 2. In that Kannada 2, Sahitya Sinchana 2 or Balike Kannada 2, that is only CIE 50 you have to score 20. So there is no external exam they are going to conduct for they are going to total for 50 marks. Total will be 450. 250 will be coming from internals only. So remaining 200 marks you have to score it on external. So the content is useful. Please subscribe my channel, share and support. Keep watching my video. Thank you.